please go to your display settings, go to night shift, and put your warmness all the way up. Turn on your blue light filter and filter out the blue light, because blue is very harmful. When you go to a tanning salon, you go underneath the blue light because blue light is millimeter waves, where red light is infrared. So basically, you have infrared light is long waves and they travel far. Ultraviolet is millimeter waves. They don't travel far. That's why 5G is high frequency and you have to be close to the tower. Radio waves, you can get reception from the mountains because it's long waves. So therefore, when the sun rises in the morning, the sun is, let's say the sun was this dot. If you are in America and the sun is over here in Africa, once it leaves Africa, you're going to have morning time. The sun is coming towards you and it's not as hot until it's above you. Because the sun, when it rises and sets, it's red because only the infrared light is reaching you. When the sun's directly above your head, ascendant, medium coily, now it's descending. So as it leaves away, it turns red and you can't see it anymore because it's going to the other side of the world. It doesn't actually set, it just goes out of your perspective. Now, when the sun's above you, it's ultraviolet light. So the point is, that's why they say Satan is a red man, because when the sun sets, this is 6 a.m., 12 o'clock in the afternoon, it's powerful, and then the sun starts losing its strength and it sets, and when it sets, it turns red. Satan is red. Because in Egypt, it was Horus was the morning, and he fights his brother Set. So Horus rules the day, Set rules the night. Horus, they're just fighting each other nonstop. Well, this is a bad guy, because when the sun turns red, Horus loses and Set wins. Set, his name was Set because the sun sets and it's red when it sets. Set was a red figure, and Satan is red today. And that's the, Satan just means the adversary. The adversary of the morning sun is the evening sun. So once we know how the tropics work and that the day is similar to the year, 6 a.m. is spring, 12 o'clock is summer, 6 p.m. is fall, 12 midnight is winter. Well, yeah. So when the sun is in Aries, there's 2 equinoxes, 2 solstices. When the sun is in Aries and Libra, it's on the green line. When the sun is in summer, it's on the red line. When the summer is in winter, it's on the blue line. So at the Vatican in summer, it's doing the little one, little circle. Spring, it's doing a bigger one, and winter, it's doing a bigger one. Why is that important? Because look, now we know that the sun gives longer days for the north hemisphere. When it does this, the days are longer. The sun sets at like 5 a.m. and it sets at 7. But only in Aries and spring is it the equinox when the night is equal to the day. Equal night, equinox. So that means that the sun rises at 6 and it sets at 6. So when the sun rises at 6, it rises in the Lamb, and when it sets at 6 p.m., it sets at Saturn. So Saturn is Satan is set and it's red. So on spring, you would say it's set and it's red and it's in Libra, which is ruled by